In how many ways can we select 9 squares from a regular chessboard such that they form square of size 3 cross 3? Now, this is for your reference to look at a chessboard and understand what are they asking you. They are wanting to make a 3 cross 3 square. Now, 3 cross 3 square can be made anywhere on this entire chessboard. This is a 3 cross 3 square. This is again a 3 cross 3 square. So we need to understand what do we exactly need to draw a 3 cross 3 square. If you look at this, your chessboard has got 8 rows and 8 columns. If you want to make a 3 cross 3 square, you need 3 consecutive rows and you need 3 consecutive columns. If you are able to understand this, that will really help you solve this question. So we need 3 consecutive rows and 3 consecutive columns. Now rows are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way up to 8. What are the different possibilities that you can pick up for the 3 consecutive rows? You can pick 1, 2, 3 as your row, or you can pick 2, 3 and 4 as your consecutive rows, 3, 4 and 5 as your consecutive rows. You can go all the way up to what? 6, 7 and 8 as your consecutive rows, right? What happens to your consecutive columns? The consecutive columns can be ABC, BCD, CDE, all the way up to what? All the way up to F, G and H, right? So you will realize there are 6 possibilities over here and there are 6 possibilities over here. Now, if you can visualize that any of the 6 possibilities that you pick up from here and you match it with the 6 possibilities over here, you will get a square of a 3 cross 3. Let me just speak about this. So let's say suppose if you pick up your first 3 rows, which is 1, 2 and 3, and combine it with C, D, E. Look if you are getting a 3 cross 3 square or not. Where is 1, 2, 3? Over here. And you are looking at CDE. So here is your CDE. So this is the square that you are looking at, where you have rows as 1, 2, 3 and columns as CDE. Are we getting a 3 cross 3 square? Yes, we are getting a 3 cross 3 square. So corresponding to this 1, 2, 3, you can make a square with ABC. 1, 2, 3, you can make a square with BCD. All the way, how many? 6. So you will have 6 squares corresponding to this. Similarly, you will have 6 squares corresponding to this. All the way, you will get 6 squares for each of these options. So 6 added 6 times will give you what? 36 such possibilities. Option A, 36 will be the correct answer for this question.